JVCCL 7566AW Premium Grade Electrical Tape is a premium professional grade, all-weather PVC electrical insulation tape. It has a synthetic rubber adhesive and is flame retardant and cold resistant. 8 mils thick on a 1.5-inch diameter ULCSA listed core. If not otherwise specified, width shown in drop-down are in inches. Notes: sizes shipped will typically be the tape industry standard metric cut sizes, that is 24 mm for each 1 inch of nominal tape width ordered. Rolls are approximately 5% narrower than the nominal size. This product's actual size is 12 mm x 20 meters. It features core 1/2 diameter, backing carrier, polyvinyl chloride, PVC, film, adhesive, synthetic rubber. Certifications: ULCSA listed. Thickness: 8 mils.